Hi, I'm Jelani Hopkins, one of the fitness coordinators here at the REC of Grapevine, and this is Feel Good Friday. Today, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get the best results foam rolling your back and legs.
When using the foam roller, make sure to truly target and take your time with each muscle. If you find a tender spot, press on it or rapidly roll back and forth. Some good muscles to target are the quads, hamstrings, calves, IT band, upper back, lower back, and a nice little bonus, the lats.
You can find one of our foam rollers in exercise room B or on the fitness floor. If you need help, then ask a fitness attendant. That's all we have for you today. I hope you found that helpful. I look forward to seeing you next week on Feel Good Friday.